Good morning, everybody. It's Ginger from In Sheep's Clothing Yarn Shop here in Torrington, Connecticut. And we had a nice snowy night last night, and it is starting to already melt away. I hope that you're well today and excited to see our fifth day of Chicken Advent. And I can't wait to show you this one because this is probably has become one of my favorite chiclets. So let's get right to it. We're going to open up, first we'll open up the package, number 5. Let me go. And let's see what's in here. Now this is the only package that, well, first of all, we've got some chocolates in the package. And let's open up the graph. And we have 2 balls of yarn in here. Now, you already have gotten your yarn to make all the chiclets, with the exception of this one, because this we needed special colors for. So, and we needed these colors right here. Does that give you any idea of what the chiclet might be? Well, let's just show you. So here we go. And here's our chiclet for day 5. I love this one. I really do love this one. Here we go. This is our little gingerbread chiclet. So very, very simple little chiclet. We just went with the colors that really gave you the color of gingerbread, and a little bit of some garter stitch, a little bit of straight stitching, and then little French knots. And that's it. Now, I've toyed with the idea of this one here, and I haven't done it yet, but I still might, is to maybe also do a little straight stitching and duplicate stitch on the top, but I didn't do it. And you might choose to do that if you'd like to. But this is a nice, simple one, but I just think it's super, super cute. So that's our gingerbread chick for day 5. Are our eyes a little crazy? No. The eyes look a little crazy. You just straighten them out and adjust them, and then you're good to go. There we go. There's our little chiclet. So, yay! And this is what your graph is very, very simple. You get your picture in there, and it just shows where your French knots are going to be. But like I said, you can also do them up on top. And then just by looking at the picture, you're just going to do little straight zigzag stitches for your chiclet. So I hope you think I think that was adorable. I happen to love that one. So, and this is plenty of yarn for you to get that one accomplished. Okay, and actually I think, yeah, you'll have some of this brown left that is for the finishings on another upcoming chiclet. So we need to find a place. Now this one actually has a little hanger. I think I'll put it right here. There we go. It has a little hanger on it. Okay, so there's gingerbread. And then I had a customer come by yesterday. I have to show you this one. So cute. Got me this little ornament. We have a great nursery that has just the best. They have a whole room just filled with trees that are themed, and I like to get my birds that I put on my the trees in my window. So anyway, that was just so very nice. So that needs to go right there. Okay. And while I'm here, I just wanted to show you a couple little gift ideas. So here I am wearing the little Sophie scarf, and my customers made for me as a sample in the shop. And this is using, I did get some more of this yarn in. This is from West Yorkshire Spinners, the Signature Sparkle sock yarn. And this particular color that I'm wearing is Nutcracker with a strand of lace weight mohair. It's so pretty, so incredibly soft. Just nice little, this is such a nice little accent to wear. But I do also have Fairy Light Sparkle, and I have, this is not Sparkle, this is Gingerbread. Very cute. I didn't get around to it, but I thought, oh, wouldn't this have been adorable just to make like a simple little chicklet. Just let the yarn do its little patterning. And then we also have this Signature Sparkle, which I love this color, Yuletide. Very earthy colors, beautiful rusts and greens, very pretty. But stranded lace weight mohair with that. And you could also, I had a customer that made these with the yarn, the Musselburgh hat. Look at how gorgeous that came out. Isn't that pretty? That's in the Signature Sparkle with stranded lace weight mohair, and then a solid white, and then inside she has the surprise lining. But I think it's adorable. And then what I really, really love too is she made little matching, and I'm going to call these Heavenly Holiday. I like alliteration. Heavenly Holiday mitts. There we go. So you have your sock yarn, mohair, a little bit of sparkle in our heavenly mitts, which feel absolutely fabulous. Yeah, there we go. Matching mitts. Aren't they pretty? And then your hat. Lovely. You could also pretty cowl. You could do a pretty cowl with this and have your mitts instead. But anyway, so I just wanted to show you that real fast. That's a nice little idea. These don't really take very long at all. And these take about a half a ball of your sock yarn and a full 25-gram ball of lace weight mohair. So, okay, there's our mitts. Actually, they just feel so wonderful on. I don't even like to take them off. And then I did share with you, but I forgot to, I'm not sure that I mentioned this. Maybe I did. But a couple days ago, we had the cute little chicken double point needle. I think it was day 3 needle. Well, I just also wanted to share with you, I do have some sheep ones. Now, these were some of the ones that were also in the kits. But if you'd like to purchase these separately, I will have these up on the website. So I have, and these are limited amount. I have sheep, and I don't even know if I have chickens left. I don't think I do, but, and I was trying to find, yeah, I really don't even think I do. I think they're all gone. But definitely have the sheep ones. But how adorable is this? What happened was the fabric that I gave the gal that made them for me, my customer, Carolyn, I didn't realize, but there was a cute little border all along the chicken fabric, and I thought it was so cute. Oh, and then I also have that, I asked her, can you just get the border and just make me, I would love my chickens to be the border. So anyway, I have my own little special chicken double point needle case. But also, look what's on the inside. I'll just turn it inside out. I do have cases that there's chickens. It's just like barnyard. But how cute is that? So I do have some cases in this fabric, if you like that. So those are up on the website. And those are, if you look under chicken stuff, yes, I do have a page on my menu devoted to chickens. So anyway, if you're interested in those, you could purchase those. So, anyway, I'm just going to keep it short and sweet today. Get to work. And so I hope you have a really enjoyable rest of the day. I'm actually going to get this posted up toot sweet and let you get a chance to look at it. And hopefully you cannot wait to make that little gingerbread chicklet. That's probably like one of the easiest ones to make. And just, you can get that done really, really fast. So I will see you again tomorrow with day 6 of our Advent, our Chicklet Advent. So you have a great day, and you all take care. Bye-bye.